Here we are at the Mesa where the Woodies are all parked. And oh my God, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous day today in Santa Barbara. Here's Ledbetter Beach, the city of Santa Barbara behind us here, facing south. There's City College right over here. Santa Barbara City College, the Bay. What a gorgeous, gorgeous setting. Wow. Some of the coolest cars you'll ever see. Some of these Woodies. Oh my God. Even some in the 30s over here. But take a look at this. I'm so stoked. Wow. Really, really pretty. Look at that square back right there. Oh man. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous day in Santa Barbara. Okay, I'm gonna go take a look.
Right now.
Here's a 1950 Woody that me, Rennie, Sned, Bauman, the guys used to go to the beach in every weekend and every day in the summer. This little guy right here is great. 5 boards would be sticking out the back end right here. We bought that car for about 150 bucks. It's probably worth now maybe 75 grand. Who knows? It's an all square back. Ooh, 1940 Woody. That's a rare one right there. It's got a bunch of horsepower in the front though. God, look at that view out there. Man, is that pretty? Oh man, look at this lineup. Is this beautiful or what? Oh my God. Look at that thing. Man, it is so pretty. 46, 47. Gorgeous square back right there. Look at this thing. 53. Yeah. It's a Mercury. You don't see that much of it. Boy, that's pretty. Good God. Yep, an old Mercury Woody. Oh my gosh. How about this guy? So, Plymouth. Another 50s. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Look at the wood panel inside. Oh, I want that little Hawaiian dancer on the dash. Oh man. Beautiful old Buick. How about this guy? $1949. Kind of original here, man. Really original. Lance got one of those. God, these are so cool. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. spots for you. Little Cooper. Boy, this is sweet, man. Oh my God. Look how pretty this is. What a beauty. Oh, man. Put the rack on top. Hi, ladies. Oh, God, it's so pretty. Man. Another Merc. Man, it's unusual to see these. This is great shape. 49. Wow. Nice. God, isn't that sweet? God, this is so pretty. Man. Gorgeous car. Very similar colors, huh? This Merc and this Chrysler. That car you don't see very much at all. The wood on it's just gorgeous wood. 47. Looks like the color of Karen's new car. Oh, no, 46. God, it's pretty. Oh, God, one is better than the next. Man, I am so excited. Yeah, this is got a little personality going here. Sweet. This is a 50 Plymouth. Wow, that surprises me. Neat. How about this guy? Oh, shit. 29. That's cool. 29 boater. Boy, that different. Man. Going up on the hill. Okay, here's another look at the other of the valley. There's the first side, front side, and this is the back side. And here's the three player in the band.
Hanging out, enjoying the Woodie show.
Oh, look at these guys. Man. Ooh, this is different. This is really different. What do we got here? What's that, a 39? 37. Oh boy, that's pretty. My God. Hey, that looks like the color of your car. Man, that's nice. Chevrolet. Oh man, there's a Hawaiian dancer again. Man. God, these cars are just pristine. Oh my God. Gorgeous. Uh-oh. Hey, we got a 50 for sale here. What are they asking? 65K. There you go. We bought this car, this very car. No, flathead, yeah, cool flathead. That's nice. Really nice. Whoa. We paid $50. Hi.
Sorry.
A lot of 50s and 49s. Yeah, that's right here. Man, a lot of them. Pretty. That's kind of like the one we used to hang out in. It had a green color like that. That was Rennie's. Yeah, that was about that color. Yeah. Oh, look at this guy. 47. Wonderful shape. Oh, an Oldsmobile. This is unusual. This one right here. You don't see this car much. I think there's about 47 Olds.
In the floor.
Yeah.
Like this.
Look at that.
With the blanket, with all of my cards leaning. You know what I mean?
Wow. This is unusual. This Olds.
Grab our porch and go up on the last right.
I think it's got the sun visor on it. Oh man. God, look at that wood. Is that beautiful? Oh. Dashboard. if you can see that or not with the reflection. But man, is that pretty. Good God. Look at the headliner here. Great. Oldsmobile. Oh, I think this one probably my favorite right here. Gorgeous color. Kind of the color of my shirt. Look at that. How about that? Looks the color of my shirt, huh?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to start the auction, so come on up to the tent. Come on up, we're going to start doing the auction. One items that you're going to win by bidding here at the auction. But you
I used to date that girl. Son of a gun. She looks pretty good. No, that was Snarager's girlfriend.
They are ready. Are you ready? Have you got your ticket yet?
Oh my God, this here. Look at this. This is your Woody, honey. This is a Packard, 1939 Packard. Oh, jeez. This is pretty. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've seen one of these actually. Oh my God. What a beauty.
You can still buy a raffle ticket to win the bicycle. The bicycle is still
Oh, here's a DeSoto. Oh man, a DeSoto for God's sake. Oop, here's another Olds. Right here. Wow. Right there. Boy. Look at the split in the bumper in the back of the time. DeSoto, man, that's a rare car. Ocean Beach Hotel, San Diego. Take you from the airport to the beach. Notice the air conditioner. Again, hey, honey, this looks like the color of your car.
All right, what do you think of the show so far?
DeSoto.
Great.
Wow.
Couldn't ask for better weather. Perfect.
And the Oldsmobile. What do we got here? Which year is this? Is
first item up.
47.
To go.
47. Wow. So classic. Is this your DeSoto?
No.
Oh, my. Yeah, you don't see that one much.
No, we have an 18-year-old BT Swizzer Woodie.
Ah, there you are. Ah, that's cool. Well, you make the family, right? Yeah, that's something, boy. DeSoto. Again, like a Packard in this DeSoto. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. Wow. Very cool. Very cool.
She thinks it's worse than the last one. See that dog?
Oh, the squarebacks are kind of my favorite. That's what's on my on the watercolor in my office. 47. It's kind of pretty. 1940. Oh man.
All right, are you ready to start the auction? We're going to bring these out here so you can see what we're auctioning off.
Yeah, that's sweet. Oh boy, that's sweet.
How many of you would like to have a Chevrolet Woody? It's available. A 1941 Chevrolet Woody. Never been driven on the street. It's an original.
I don't know if you can hear that, but 41 Woody never been driven on the street. Oh boy. I just got to explain how beautiful this day is up here on the Mesa, where we're getting, you can see we're getting a little bit of wind here, flag blowing at the Learning Center here, but it's just stunning. It's just so beautiful looking out in the ocean here at Ledbetter, and the weather feels so good. God, it's just so hard to leave this place. To just tell you, I'm just totally enamored today with this stuff. I am in big heaven. Pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna say adios. I think we've seen most everything here. But wow, what a good day! What a fantastic day! All right, see you at home.
Was $120. It's definitely gone up in value. They don't make them anymore, especially like this. $150 for steering wheels. It still has the original tires. You can't beat this. This gorgeous little brown 41 Chevrolet Woody, the last Chevrolet built before World War II in full production. Think about that.
Had to come back on. I saw a car. This is my first vehicle. This car right here, actually station wagon. This guy right here, this Ford. Two-door, got a post. This has got a little bit of 57 front end kind of on the lights. That's an interesting touch. But that's what I had. Obviously, it wasn't that good a shape, but what a great car. Really enjoyed it. Drove the hell out of this thing. Mine was a 55. This has got some 55, 6, and 7 features to it, like the tail lights and so forth. But the back window opening, that was absolutely perfect for surfboards. And mine had a small V8 in it, so the gas mileage was like really, really good. But gas in those days was only like 19 cents a gallon too. But that's a cool car, really cool car. Okay, this is a very rare car. Yeah, when's the last time you saw one of these? It's a converted Buick. Can you see where it's cut in the back right here? So somebody did some modification on it. Could have been a Woody that had some trouble, or they just wanted to, do some mod on it. But it's really, I don't think I haven't seen this car before.
No,
it's really quite something.
We were just saying, everybody's changed the color, repainted their cars. So many of them.
Oh,
the turquoise and that was here last year. There's a lot of them that are looks like the same car but different colors.
It certainly is fun. Good day to you. Yeah.
Wish I still had our family cars.
How about this, huh? A little mod going on here. Here's a really pretty 1953 Ford Woody. This is after the 50s, like the 47 squarebacks and the 50, the red one over there. Notice that on the 53, just a few years later, that you got a little more style, and the wood is affixed to the side. It's not actually a structural part of the vehicle, and it's more just continuity and having that wood feeling. They call it the Country Squire, but it actually was a full metal vehicle. It just this is not really functional other than just adornment. Beautiful car, the 53. And again, my buddy Rennie had one of these. He started with that car actually. Rennie, the guy that was old enough to buy beer for us when we were underage, and had a little more money because he had a job. But then moving to the 50 vehicle because it was cheaper and cheaper on gas. But that really is a pretty cool car. Okay, see ya. Hey, my favorite year. 1956. Bel Air. Look at this, got the 56 Bulls hubcaps on it. Tangerine, I think this is. Really pretty car. Oh my. Wow. The Nomad. This is a really interesting car. This is an Olds. You don't see this much. Interesting color too. Rancho Santa Susana. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at that headliner. Oh my God. This stuff is just so charming. Oh, what a great looking car. My God, that top is blue. It's kind of hard to see. And kind of periwinkle, periwinkle color, I think. Man, is it pretty. What a great logo, huh? The old Olds logo. Man. Great shape. Really great shape. Goodyear big fat white wall. So this is a 1940 Olds. Rare car. Gorgeous. What in the world is that? Custom Volkswagen. That's funny. That's really funny. Oh, jeez. Okay. And we have a nice admirer here. Lovely car. I mean, lovely car. Okay. All right. Adios. Thank you for a good day. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you for a good day. See you next year. Woodie on a hill. Oh man. Bye-bye.
We got 310. How about 350?
Hey, here we are again. This is the latter part of the afternoon here, getting ready to get back into the Corvette and come home, but I'm just so enamored with what this looks like. Take a peek at Santa Barbara.
Right here, 360, 350, 350 once, 350 twice, 375, Ricardo Blanco, 380, with 380, Rick.
Got a raffle going on in the background here.
With 380,
Look how
right,
nice.
390, Rick.
Oh boy.
400, 410. 410, Rick.
Okay. Kind of hate to go home. Bye-bye.
We have 410. 410 once. 410 twice.